Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Wednesday, March 11th. What's going on news? Forexfactory.com. 8:30 this morning, we had core CPI month over month, CPI month over month, CPI month year over year. And what's interesting is that all three were exactly at expectations, which is highly unlikely. So I'm not sure I believe these numbers, but also with the current situation with gas prices spiking, energy prices spiking, this will not stay the same. And initially, the market looked at this as good news, but then it sold off. FOMC member Bowman is currently speaking. At 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. 1:01 p.m., we have the 10-year bond auction. At 2 p.m., we have the federal budget balance. At 4:25, we got President Trump speaking. Good thing it's after market. And that'll be the end of the day. So moving on, looking at the daily chart, we had our what I believe is going to end up being a dead cat bounce. We had Monday's big move, and then yesterday and down, and today continues to go down. We'll wait and see if this ends up being a dead cat bounce or not. We are currently above the 200-day moving average, but we are below the 50 and the 20. So we're kind of in no man's land. We're basically moving sideways, short term down, medium term sideways, long term we are still bullish because we're above the 200-day moving average. Where could we go? I think this group of lows right here around 67.14 is certainly doable, as well as this high volume node at 68.90. So that's kind of the bigger picture of where we could go. Volume has been above average, but not significantly. Moving on, looking at the inventory from yesterday, we had down price action, we had down inventory. That's correlated. That's exactly what we want to see. So nothing to talk about there. Kind of disappointing, actually. But it is what it is. Overnight action, approximately 59 points. So if I make that bigger, there you go. It looks a little bit bigger. 59 points. That's way less than what we've been experiencing over the last 4 or 5 days. So maybe volatility is starting to calm down a little bit, at least overnight. Hard to say. What is going on? Support and resistance. So we've got resistance on the top side. We've got a little confluence around 68.25, 68.40, 68.51. If we go higher than that, maybe 68.60, 68.70-ish. On the downside, where do we have support? Support 67.65, 67.50. Basically on the 10, 67.40, 67.30, 67.20. Of course, 6,700, a big number if we get down that far. Taking a look at the Stock Traders Almanac, it gives us a 57.1% chance the market will be up today. 57.1. So positive bias from today, from the historical numbers, from the historical Stock Traders Almanac. There you go. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Subscribe and like. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.